Type IDM in Google search and click the first link to visit the official IDM website. Now click the download button at the top of the page. Click this Download Internet Download Manager button to download the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the .exe file and follow the on-screen instructions to install IDM. After installation, IDM will prompt you to integrate with your browser. Confirm to add the IDM extension to Chrome. You can see that the IDM extension has been added to Google Chrome. Follow these instructions to access the IDM extension settings. Now to download anything, just right-click and select Download with IDM and the file will be downloaded.